Oh, thank you for coming today. I thought that our disagreements interfered, but it seems like we are on the same basis.
No, not at all. What are you talking about, Sarah? Forget about it. What is it again that you asked me to come for?
Oh, I have a confusion here. You see, my daughter Piper had some math questions in her workbook related to finding the distance, and I didn't understand how you can find the distance of a place. Is it possible for you to explain to me how to determine the distance of an area?
Well, as far as I know, my daughter Malia read a book called A Gabra named Alana that explains how you get the distance of an area.
Oh, can you give me an example?
Of course. Okay, so to find the distance you have to use a formula, which is d equals rxt, which stands for distance equals rate times time.
Alright, so far so good.
Okay, let's say we traveled 20 miles and that was our distance. It took us about 4 hours to get there, and that was our time. Distance equals rate times time, and rate equals distance divided by time. It is the same equation but just turned around.
So what do we do next?
Can you please stop interrupting me because all your blabbering is so annoying? Alright, for your daughter's sake, we have to do 20 divided by 4 and that is 5. Our distance is 20 miles. Our time was 4 hours, therefore, our rate is 5 miles per hour.
Wait a minute. Where in Dumbledore's bear did you get 5 miles per hour for the rate?
Oh my god, last time I checked 20 divided by 4 turned out to be 5.
Okay, good for you.
Alright. I will accept your reply. However, it is time for me to ask you a question without a rude answer.
What is it now? Something that you cannot figure out?
As a matter of fact, it is. You see, when you brought up cubing, I remembered when Malia showed me her book. I remember that order of operations was used when the girl, Julian's group that was guiding her to the mathematician's castle had to go through places with the steps of order of operations. They also had to solve some problems along the way.
Mr. Obama, please be quiet and let the mathematician explain.
Show me a problem then that can connect to the real world.
Finally, alright. Let's say it is a sleepover and my daughter Piper invited 12 girls and my son Track invited 14 guys. Now they both asked if I can get them pizza and everyone wants 2 slices. This is including my kids. So inside the parenthesis you will put 13 plus 15 and you will close the parenthesis. Now you will place 2 in front of the parenthesis because remember each of them want 2 slices. Now you will add 13 and 15 and that will give you 28. Next you will multiply 28 by 12 which will give you 56. That is 56 slices I will have to order.
You see, Sarah, you have exceeded expectations. Thank you very much for telling me that, but I am sure that not all the kids are starving.
You see, Bert, whenever I try to do something nice you just don't like, no, but you make fun of it.
Seriously, Sarah. You just need to calm down, okay?
Alright. I have to go home and thank you for telling me how I can determine the distance. Piper will be happy.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you very much, and I hope that this should have changed things a little.
Peace out. You're welcome. Hopefully things will change and get better.
Good to know. Oh, you are never going to change. Say hello to your family for me.
And to yours also.